day 273 of the year of streaming and learning to code. We are somewhat continuing on, just not at Free Code Camp or at Code Wars. We are taking a peek at what we will be diving into starting tomorrow, actually. Topher has hooked us up with, it looks like, a few side projects to tackle. So I just kind of want to... Little kitty, how are you doing this evening? Look at you. Yeah. What are you looking at? Are you wanting to find out what Topher sent us? Okay, just try not to knock over the webcam. No. Hey, look, come over here. Yeah, good. If you need scratches, come to Steven. Just try not to knock over the webcam. Aside from that, yeah, good. Watch out for the wire. Good. Alright, so, anyways, we are sort of scoping out what is ahead of us. Before, unless I totally missed it, it was mostly a quiz app that we were going to be developing. It looks like he's added, or I just totally didn't notice the 12 other things that are actually... No, little cat. I need to move you. 1, 2, 3, team effort. Yeah. There you go, little one. Alright. So, we've got a couple different project things here. Maybe let's check out, instead of going into each of the 12, maybe we can just sort of do the README overview and get a feel for what's to come. How about that? This is just going to sort of be a brief stream gauging what tomorrow and the following days will be. So, projects for BDX Inc. Here, you will find projects that I put together specifically for BDX Inc. to supplement his learning of web development. Once more, for anyone joining in after 9 months, our journey first started at Code Academy. That was the first 159 days of our journey. In fact, if we go to Code Academy BDX Inc., that is a much better visualization. Beautiful, yes. Nice. Again, Code Academy has done a lot of updates to their courses and website over this last summer. So some of these have been kind of reset. That should be 100%. And it looks like Learn HTML was reset. But we've got the 270 plus badges with those proper dates for when those courses were completed. Anyways, so our journey started there at Code Academy, followed by tackling some challenges and CADAs at Code Wars. Another great site. Currently, we are at level 6. We're on the cusp of breaking into that next rank, level 5. So very, very close. A handful of CADAs complete there. Total completed 49 different challenges. And then, for the last couple days and weeks, we've been mostly focused here at Free Code Camp, doing challenges. So far, we've got 269 completed items here. So, and we're very, very close to the end to the front-end development certification. We're right there, just at the edge of starting the advanced courses. before we complete that. So, anyways, as we finish up month 9, heading into October, this is why we're going to try and focus on more side projects. We should have been doing side projects from the beginning, but we didn't really have a finite goal aside from stream coding every single day, which is what we've been doing. But there wasn't a lot of direction aside from that. So now we get to do a push towards doing more side projects, and this will be a good catalyst to get that ball rolling. Yet again, thanks to Topher for supplying us with this. And actually, hey, speak the devil. Topher, how you doing? Hopefully your evening is going well. We're just gauging what is to come for tomorrow. Actually, I guess we can sort of peek into each of these. Just kind of wanted to do a quick overview. That way we're not diving in cold tomorrow, completely blindsided. So I guess projects for us, table of contents. Hello World seems a good place to start for inquiring. Alright, so for Hello World, the first project, we will need Hello World. Let's get started nice and easy with the most basic of projects, shall we? Specifications. Create a basic HTML page which says Hello World inside of an H1 tag. Good. This is definitely our speed. Alright, your HTML page should link to an external style sheet as well as an external JavaScript file. In your external JavaScript file, simply use console.log to log the text Hello World to the console. Open the web page in your browser and open your web developer tools to the console to verify your console log statement worked. Awesome, good. We will definitely be able to do that. So that's one thing is down. Topher, I haven't written all of them yet. Fair enough, totally fine. Just placeholders. We weren't even going to go through all 12. I just wanted to sort of briefly check out some of the documentation. And the tasks lay ahead of us before showing up tomorrow and being completely clueless. Not that we are a stranger to being completely clueless. That's been the last 270 plus days. Just blindly coding as much as we can. Alright, so that was the README stuff. Good. Table of contents, tons of fun. And then the get ignore. I'm assuming that's why it's called ignore. Don't mind. Cool. Good. Alright, and then maybe we can also peek at number 2. Just in case. But I think that should be about it. So that should be fairly easy. We'll be able to do Atom. Fire up Atom. Set up a single page for HTML doc, and everything should be fine. That's a lot less daunting than our last project. Although Tenacious's project was awesome, because it tied everything together. That was a good project. I like the breakdown, though, of the bits and pieces with the 12 smaller parts. Okay. Number guessing game. So for our second part, for your first challenge, you'll be building a number guessing game. The application will generate a random number and the user will attempt to guess that number. Specifications. Your HTML page should include a text input and a submit button. When the page loads, generate a random number using JavaScript. The random number can be within any range of numbers you choose. The user should be able to input a number in the input box and click the submit button. When the submit button is clicked, tell the user either A, their guess is too high, B, their guess is too low, or C, they guess correctly. Extra credit. Awesome. Topher, you have gone so far above and beyond what is needed, assisting us with setting this up. I mean, I don't know what else to say except for thank you. This is just fantastic. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is gonna be awesome. Okay. Again, once we conquer all of the side project or side projects that Topher has prepped for us, then we'll start to add in our own. This is sort of the inaugural side project as we dive into October to get the ball rolling as far as doing our own side projects more frequently. So, because again, up until this point, the last 9 months have basically exclusively been just tutorial sites. Code Academy, Code Wars, Free Code Camp, and that's basically it. So, but 270 plus days of that, we've done as much damage as we can there in the meantime for now. So we definitely need to start working on our own things. Anyways, extra credit. Keep track of the number of times the user has made a guess. Cool. Okay, I like that. Only give the user a maximum number of guesses. All right, 3 guesses before they lose. Okay. If the user wins, give them the option to live. Just kidding. Give them the option to play again. Clicking the play again button will reset the game. If the user loses, tell them what the random number was and give them the option to play again. Alright, so some just basic things, but it's polish, and polish is what's important. So click try again button will reset the game. Cool. Add form validation to ensure the input field is not blank. The guess submitted is a number. The guess is between your specified range of numbers, and of course that the user has not run out of guesses. All right, we're up to that task eventually. We'll get there. I can see why it's extra credit, especially for us. There might be some tears, but we'll get there. And add transitions/animations to your game. I thought this was going to be the difficult part. I lied. That will be... We'll see what we can do. Maybe we can just animate sad face when they lose. Alright, well, good time. So, let's basically kind of back out of that. Alright, is there a way to save... Hey, Star! Oh, you must be signed in. Okay, well, we'll sign in. We're going to start this. That way we can just jump straight to it for our profile. That way, although we've got the link in Discord. Topher, I've enjoyed the stream for the past 273 days, so it's the least I could do. You're too kind. Too kind. Alright, well... that was kind of just it for now. I know it's definitely a shorter stream, but I really just kind of wanted to get a feel of what is on the horizon. You know what? Let's actually look at one more coin toss, maybe, if there's info. If not, we can live. There is. Okay, we'll read through the fun of coin toss, and then we'll call it quits. And then tomorrow we get to dive into Project 1. I think we'll try and tackle Project 2. I don't know if we'll finish all of the extra credit stuff, but we will continue to build on all of these projects over the days to come. So Project 3, Coin Toss. From the top, allow the users to guess heads or tails, tell them if they pick correctly, display statistics on their selections, specifications. Your HTML page should include a button for heads and a button for tails. The user should be able to select either heads or tails, and when they click one of the buttons, you will display whether they selected correctly or not. If the user has played at least once, display their winning statistics, total number of games, average win rate, the number of times selected heads and tails, and the number of wins heads and tails. For example, heads times selected, blah, 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 times 1, blah, 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 average win rate, blah, diddly, blah. Good to know. Tails, same song and dance, times selected blank, times 1, whatever it shall be, and average win rate XXX. Overall win rate, overall win rate. Good to know. Okay. Hint. Critical hints. Win rates can be calculated for each coin side by dividing the number of times the side was selected into the number of times the selection was correct. The overall win rate will be the total number of selections divided by the total number of games. Extra credit for this is use Google Charts. We've never encountered Google Charts. Unless it's spreadsheets? No, Google Charts is probably its east. Use Google Charts to display, the statistics, chart form. It's sort of self-explanatory there. And animations / transitions when updating, showing, or hiding elements. Alright, so let's see what Google Charts has to offer. Loading. Simple example. Cool. Alright. Good times. Hey, code it yourself on JS Fiddle. Look at that. This is what a chart looks like. Can you believe that this is what all charts look like on the inside? If you were to cut one open. Fascinating. Good to know. Okay, so we've got ample charts at our fingertips to assist with that. Awesome. Topher, check the example for the project for guessing, for the guessing game in coin toss. There's an example, you say? Oh, at the bottom. Steven's clueless. Okay, look. Okay, so here is an example of how this might look. Do not look at the source code. That is cheating. Bad, Steven. No. But the example in general, CodePen, nice. No clicking on fork. Fork is bad. This is a demo to help you get started. Yours will be better. Unlikely. But I like your confidence, so we're just going to have blind faith, and we will do our best to make you proud. Statistically, which side of the coin is best? Tails. I wonder what type of coin. I wonder if it's a quarter or a penny. Maybe it's non-US currency. Let's click tails. Wow, we are never gonna get to this point. Happy thoughts, Steven. It'll be good. We will eventually maybe kind of get to this point. Oh, this is a lot of stuff. Okay, you picked tails, and the coin landed on heads. Your overall win rate is 0%. If that doesn't highlight the last 273 days, I don't know what does. Okay, good. Well, let's try again, shall we? Time selected 0 for heads, 0, 0, 0. 1 met with lots of failure. Look at that, our chart. This is spectacular. We should frame that. Do we try tails again? Let's do tails once more. 2, second failure in a row. How about heads? 3rd failure. Damn. Tails? Son of a... heads. We did. We won. We're gonna call it quits. We're gonna end on a high note. Okay. Time selected. 2 times 1. Average win rate 50% versus 3 failed tails. This is spectacular. And there's the chart at the bottom. Oh yeah, this is gonna be an awesome one. Okay, good. Who's excited? We are. Topher. You are the most unlucky. That is an accurate statement. Alright. But it's good. It's good. It makes things interesting. This is going to be spectacular. Thank you again, Topher, for setting up all of this stuff. The guides, the examples, assisting us over the last 270 plus days. It is deeply, deeply appreciated. With all of that said, after peeking at all of this, again, I think we are going to call it quits for this brief stream. Again, it was just sort of scope out what is on the horizon. Now we know. Thoroughly look at the whole document all the way to the bottom in case there's examples. And, yeah, good times. Way cool. Let's go ahead and close out of all of these. And, let's jump out of this, back over to OBS. Thank you again to anyone and everyone who stopped by to view the stream. Any and all views are greatly, greatly appreciated. Day 273 comes to an end. However, the adventure continues with brand new side projects starting tomorrow, day 274. Oh, wait. Hofer, number guessing game example. Oh, well, save it for tomorrow. We can peek. We can be that guy. We can be that guy. We've still got it up. Back over here. Number guessing game had an example, and you know what? We should look at it because we already opened number 2. So technically, we didn't look at it completely. See examples at the bottom. I saw that the giant gray line and just thought, hey, it's not for humans to look at, but I was wrong. It is indeed for humans to look at. Here's the example before we back out. So this is the second project. Number guesser. Good. What a perfectly named program. I'm thinking of a number between a 1 and 100. Can you guess it? You have 3 remaining guesses. 42. Damn, 42 is too high. Okay. 42 is too high. 17? 21? 21. 21 is too low. Of course it is. 33. Maybe. Oh, 40 was my number. Damn. And knowing our luck, we'll be here all night before we have guessed correctly. We will try again, though. Okay, good to know. Well, that's spectacular. Okay. Again, I am not sure if any of our projects are going to end up looking anywhere near this good or function this well, but I'm hopeful we will get there. We've got plenty of time to tinker with them, so we'll find a way to pull it off. We will find a way to pull it off. Good times. Okay. There's that successful preview. Once more, back now to OBS. Day 272 comes to an end. Adventure continues tomorrow. Day 273 comes to an end. Adventure continues tomorrow. Day 274. Thank you again for anyone who accidentally may have stumbled in here to view the stream. And a huge hat tip to Topher for setting all of this up. We would not be doing any of these side projects if it wasn't for his immense generosity. So thank you again, Topher. Good times. OBS. We are looking for stop streaming. Are you sure you want to stop the stream? Hell yeah. Kill it.